If you want to save yourself from any kind of affliction throughout the day, so you're thinking out for the future, after Fajr and after Maghrib you read this dua, and you will be even saved from sihr, even from black magic. This is dua. In Abu Dawud it has been related. Say in the morning, Bismillahilladhi la yadurru ma'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim, 3 times. In the name of Allah, nothing can afflict anything from the earth, anything from the heaven, nothing of the things in the heaven and the earth can afflict me through Allah's name. وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ, and He is the one who listens to everything, and He is the one who knows everything. Say that 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the evening, you will be saved from that. Another one, let's say for example, someone has got evil eye. You know evil eye? It's a big thing, because Rasulullah said that. Now, sometimes you find that you're not performing well. Sometimes you have a thing on your desk, and normally you can get it done in an hour, it takes you days. You can't get it done. Evil eye, if you don't watch out, it can get to something major. When it gets to something major, it's really difficult to then sort it out. You still can sort it out. And the one that Rasulullah gives for many different things, including evil eye, is what? أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. I seek refuge through all the names of Allah, the phrases of Allah, all of them, from the evil of what He has created. This is a hadith that has been mentioned in Tabarani and various other hadith are similar to this. Rasulullah has said, nothing will afflict you. Another hadith where Rasulullah has said, now this is definitely people who fear jinns. So for a person who is fearful of jinns and so on, Rasulullah said, recite the beginning of Baqarah all the way to Muflihun. These are the first 5 verses of Baqarah. And you recite Ayatul Kursi and the 2 ayats that follow them, and you recite the last 3 ayats of Surah Baqarah. Guaranteed that night, if you fear that there's jinns or whatever, you read that, you blow it in your hands, pass it over yourself, or just read it. You'll be safe from anything.